one of Laravel 9 series, and in this series we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website in Laravel 9. So now this time we are going to start working inside the admin panel. In last video we have seen that we able to add the validations for the login form. Laravel validations we have added for the login form of the admin panel, and now we are going to work inside the admin panel one by one. We are going to add everything that is required for the multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so let's go inside the admin panel. See the basic structure of the admin panel. You can see here it is the dashboard, and we need to update all these icons at the left sidebar, and we need to remove the unwanted code from this page. Only the things we are going to keep the things that we require. Okay, see, every website requires the basic admin panel. So see, the basic admin panel is required for every website that you are going to develop. Okay, so we have seen that we have created the admin panel for the basic e-commerce website, for the dating website as well, and for the other Laravel websites. And here also we are going to create the admin panel for our multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so we are going to update everything at the left sidebar also. So one by one we are going to update. See, first thing that we are going to update here, after dashboard we are going to have here settings. Okay, so we are going to keep here settings tab. Under settings tab we are going to add update admin password. Okay, update admin password, and we are going to have update admin details. Okay, so these two things we are going to add under these settings. Okay, so after that we will add user management. Okay, this one we have not done earlier. New thing for us, user management tab, and under that tab we are going to have everything like admin, subadmin, all the user types, admin, subadmins. Okay, we are going to keep this admin, subadmins. Vendors, vendor will we will as a user, and also users itself that creates account on the website, on the multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so after that we are going to show the products management. We are going to have the catalog management. Okay, so I will pick this one. So I am going to add here catalog management. Okay, so catalog management. Under catalog management, what will happen? All the products will come, all the categories will come. Okay, these we are going to add, all the sections will come. Okay, this section will come at the top, then the categories, then the products. Okay, and after that we will add the orders management. Okay, one by one we're going to add, then we will show the orders and extra. Okay, so don't go that far away. So we will first work on the settings, in which we are going to create the update admin password and update admin details. And after that we will start working on the user management. We will work on the roles and permissions that will have the admin, subadmins. The admin can able to add the subadmins, and also we are going to work for the vendors. Okay, so that vendors, we will assume that the vendors has been registered on the website. We will create one vendor entry with header, and after that admin will approve that entry, and the vendor can able to log in. Okay, and after the vendor login, vendor can able to add its shop. Okay, and along with shop, vendor will add the products in his shop, and vendor will also add some required information like ID is required for the vendor, so that the vendor can start uploading the products. Okay, so these kind of things we are going to do for the vendors. Okay, but we are going to take step by step all the things and see. So some of my friends are saying to go on a fast track, but this website we can't complete in a few days. Okay, so it requires time, because such thing requires time. We need to do step by step, only then we are going to learn. otherwise we can't skip steps. Okay, so see, such kind of big website requires a lot of time, and we need to be focused, we need to concentrate, we need to work on every video. You can do your own points as well. You can see, you follow my video and add on your own points. Okay, you can make changes also. So this is just I can say I am giving you a push. Okay, but you need to do yourself, lot of things you need to do yourself. Okay, so let's start. We are going to first make the route for our update password. So first thing is we are going to change password. Admin can able to update the password for the admin panel, and only the super admin can able to do that. Okay, we know that there are super admins. Okay, so that thing we are going to work on that thing. See, here we already know that we are going to first look into super admin. See, everything will come later: admin, sub admin, vendors, users. First is the role of the super admin. Okay, we started from the scratch, we started from the scratch for the admin panel. Okay, so first thing is to provide the facilities for the super admin, then super admin going to add admin or sub admin, then we will move further. Okay, so first thing for our website, super admin is going to add here super admin. Okay, so we are going to provide a change password privilege for the super admin. Okay, first thing is we are going to add change password, then he can update his details. Okay, he can update his details as well. Okay, that is the second thing. Okay, we are going to work for these two things for the super admin, and after that, yeah, third one, we are going to add roles and permissions. For roles and permissions, super admin can able to add admin, sub admin. Okay, see, he can't add the vendors we will add with the seeder. Okay, vendor we are going to add with the help of seeder. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to open my route. First of all, web.php file, and here inside the admin I am going to create one update admin password. Okay, and also before that I need to do one more thing. Open the sidebar.update.php file, and here it is given the second thing is settings. We are going to make it settings. Now these settings will come up here, and here we will add update admin password and update admin details. I think update is required or not required. We are update admin details, and this one we can remove, and we can check now. We can save. Okay, cancel this and refresh, and you can see settings has come up. Okay, we can remove update is not required, there is not enough space, admin password and admin details. Okay, we can, or we can give update password and update details. It is understood that it is the super admin, and even if the admin is there, then we will see that whether we will give him the privilege or not, and he can update the password and details. Okay, update password from here, update details from here. Now we are going to click on update password, then the user will reach at the route. We are going to create the route here, and for that we will use the URL is we know that URL is the syntax, is the built-in keyword for the Laravel for adding the URLs, and here I will give the URL like update admin password. Okay, so this URL I am going to give we'll create the route for this one, and here I'm going to copy this one and will paste here. We'll replace this one, and here I will add update admin details. I'm going to refresh now and see. I can click on update password. We have not yet created the URL, but here one more thing we need to add. We will add the admin, as all the admin URLs will come up inside the admin. Okay, so we are going to refresh. We'll go back, refresh, and click on update password. Now the URL is admin update hyphen admin hyphen password. Okay, So this route we are going to create, here. Okay, so here we are going to create the route like update admin password, and this route we are going to create get post route. Both we are going to create for this one, because we are going to use the match. Both will come inside this one, both get and post, get as well as post, because we require to show the update admin password form. We require to add, we are required to create the post method from where we can able to like the admin can able to update the password, and that will come, that form will come for submission, so that we can do that in the function itself by the posted data. Okay, so here, get post. After that, we are going to add the URL that we have added there, update admin password, sorry, update admin password. And after that, we are going to add the admin controller, and now we are going to add update admin password function. We are going to create update admin password function, this one. Okay, so now we are going to create this function inside admin controller. We are going to open the admin controller, and after the dashboard we are going to create this function, public function. Okay, it automatically comes. Okay, so here we are going to create update admin password. Here we can move it. Here we don't require any value, we can remove this one, and here inside this one we can create here return view, and inside admin, see, we are going to create one settings folder. Okay, inside settings folder we will create one file, update admin password file we are going to create inside settings folder. So next step is we will create the folder. This is our ecom 9 folder. Resources, views we already have in the admin, we have created earlier, and after that we are going to create one more folder, and that will be called as settings. Okay, in under settings we are going to create one file. In Mac we need to create the file like this, new terminal tab at folder. Okay, we will create the file touch here, update underscore admin underscore password dot blade dot php file. You know how to create this file in Windows. If you are in Windows, then you can't create this file. You just simply require to create the file inside your folder. Right click. I think now I don't remember. I have used Windows lot of years back. Sometime I used my dad laptop, but not that much. So you know that how to create the file in your Windows laptop. Okay, Windows desktop or laptop. Okay, so just create that file, and after creating the file you just require to open that file. I'm going to I'm going to create open that file, this one, update admin password here. So now first thing is we need to add the admin design we have already added to dashboard, so we can simply add this admin design to this page. Okay, we need to end section like this, or at the rate of stop also will work. Inside this one we are going to work and we need to pick the content from our sky dash template. Okay, admin template. So we will go there in my downloads folder, open the template that we have downloaded few days earlier. This is the sky dash template, and here we can open the template. You will just open the index.html, and we are required to add the form, so we can go into form. This is the default form. Here number of forms you can see. We are going to add this first one for the update password. Okay, so this form we are going to add for our page, and for that we are going to copy this one. We will see that which page we have opened for this form. See, this one, it is inside, we can check the path from here. It is inside template pages forms. Okay, so we can just go inside templates pages and forms, and this basic element this basic element we can just keep it here. And after that we are required to copy the form. We can just simply check, or one thing we can do, we can see simply first we can add this dashboard page, its main content. After that uh, we will update. Okay, so we can first copy this main content, and after that we are going to make changes. We are going to copy it like this. See, it will open, update admin password will open the same like dashboard. I'm going to refresh. You can see the dashboard page is opening because we have just copied the dashboard content to the update admin password page. Okay, so now we are going to make changes. Now see, we can see we can remove this unwanted code from here. We can simply do like this, and we'll remove all the unwanted code. We will just keep the heading part like this. Okay, so after that we are going to copy the code from the basic element, and here we can just check this default form we can copy, and we can just check this form here. And this one we will just copy the row, required to copy the row, this one, and we'll just copy this one and we'll paste inside the admin form here. See, now I'm going to refresh, and we'll refresh here. See, everything has come up here as well, but we required only the first one. Okay, so for that we are going to keep the first one, and once again I'm going to check. We'll add only the first one. We are going to check. Okay, so see here, we are div class row. Okay, this one, and here in row everything else is coming. So it's fine if we copy this one, and we need to remove everything else. Just we'll keep the first form, and we can keep this like this. Okay, so we will remove everything else from the row. Okay, we will just keep the first one and can remove all other rows, and we can check once. See, now it seems to be fine. It seems to be better. Okay, so now see here, now here, uh, see, we can instead of welcome here, we can add here settings, and we can add here update admin password. The rest of the code we can remove from here, and here also we can show the update admin password in default form. We can just add it here, and it is not required. If anything you want to write, like you can update the admin password or something, then we can we are required. Otherwise we can remove this one. Okay, so this is the form. Okay, like this. We can also remove this one, update admin password, if it is not required, or we can just simply comment it. Okay, so now see here, we are going to keep the username. We are going to show here admin yeah, email username, admin email username, and then admin type we can show. After that new pass that old password, then new password, then confirm password. Okay, so here we are going to keep first thing, we are going to keep here update admin password. First thing is admin username and email. We can keep it like this, admin username, email. Okay, so we are not required to we will add our own placeholder. Okay, here we are going to add uh, our own ID and name. Okay, okay, so here see, this is the read only field, admin username and email, no one can able to update, so we are going to make it read only, but we are going to show that what is the email and username. So see, we are going to have it from the admin details. So what we are required to do, one thing here, we need to get the admin details here in update admin password function. Okay, so that we can get from the admin guard. Okay, we have done the guard and we are getting the data in guard. After login, uh, we are logging with the admin guard only, admin auth guard. Okay, so we are required to get the data from the admin guard. Okay, so we are going to have the data from the admin details like this, admin details, and here admin model, and we are going to get the data where email, uh, email we are going to match with auth guard, guard is admin, and then the user email. Okay, so this is the syntax of getting the data from the admin. Okay, so first we can use the to array as well, to array, to convert it to array. Okay, so I want to show you that we are having the uh, data in guard, in admin guard. Okay, we can check the data first of all that we are getting in admin guard or not. You can check it like this, auth guard. See, earlier we used to do like this, we remember. See, this is the simple auth user. Okay, in the advanced e-commerce series we have also used the admin guard. Okay, then the users who follow the advanced e-com series in Laravel 8, those users will not have any trouble because they know that how to use the auth guard to get the data from the guard. Okay, we need to get the data like this from the guard. Okay, auth guard, then admin is the keyword for the guard. Admin guard we have created, we can create the multiple guards as well. Okay, so this one, after that the user, so we will get the complete data here. So let's see if we will get the complete data, admin data here. I'm going to refresh. See, here we get the complete data here, name, type, vendor ID, mobile, email, password, image. Okay, so complete data we are getting. So our guard is working fine, admin guard is working fine. Okay, so we can just simply comment this one. So we are matching with email and getting the admin details, and this admin details we will pass to the, we will return to the that admin blade file, that update admin password blade file. Okay, so we are going to have the values uh, that dollar admin details email we will have in array like this. So let's check now, refresh. See, we need to include the admin. Okay, so admin model, we need to include the admin model. We have not included the admin model. Now this time the model is located inside the app models, and app models is the folder for the models. From Laravel 6 onwards we are having the models inside the models folder, then here it is admin. Okay, so now we are going to check, refresh, and see, we able to get the automatically, we able to get the admin at the rate of admin.com, that is the admin username or email. Okay, so next thing is we will have the admin type. Okay, so here we are going to add the admin type, this is also the read only. Okay, and this one we can remove, type test also we can remove everything here from here as well. This one also we can remove, not required. Okay, because these are for display purpose only, and we can remove everything. Okay, so here also the value we are going to have from the admin details. Just check that value is coming. We can check in table also. Okay, what table we are having for our admins table in ecom 9 folder. Let's check the table, and we are having the type here. We will have here the type. Okay, type, then we are going to close, then like this. Okay, read only. Now we are going to have the admin type. Let's check. Yeah, we can check here. Here it is. Admin type is this super admin. This is the super admin for you. Okay, so now three fields we are going to add. We are going to add the fields that are first old password, then new password, then confirm password. Okay, so first one is old password, then the next one is new password, and third one is the confirm password field. Okay, so these fields we are required to add here, and we will also we can also make it like the current password, not old password. Current password looks better. Current password. Okay, and we can keep the id something like current underscore password. We can keep it like this, and here in placeholder we can give it current password like this. Okay, and after the current password we are going to we can also edit like enter current password. Okay, the current password, and the name and name id, this one name also we are going to add here. Okay, name we are going to add like current password itself. Okay, so see this is the required field, so we can keep it as required, and now we can add for the confirm password. Next field is, sorry, new password. For this one we are going to add new password, and this one placeholder is enter new password, and its field is, we can keep it like name. Name is also we can give new password and required. Okay, so after that we are going to add the confirm password. Okay, so type is password, that is fine. So here also we are going to add confirm password. Okay, confirm password. Okay, we can simply add confirm password. Okay, and this one also we are going to add the required, and name we are going to add it like confirm password. Okay, so we will check once. So this is the form. Okay, so our update admin password form is ready, and in the next video we are going to check for the current password with the help of Ajax. We are going to check the current password is coming. We are going to have checked from the admins table that the current password that the user is have typed is right or wrong. Okay, here we are going to display whether the password is correct or incorrect. Okay, and after the see, we are going to submit the new password. After the current password is correct, user that admin can able to update the that password, and will click on submit for getting it changed for the admin panel. Okay, and also one thing, see here also we will keep that admin dashboard, and for that we will update that sidebar for the dashboard link. Okay, so that we can go for the dashboard from here also. We will add admin then dashboard like this. See, now we are going to dashboard, and here we are going to add here the name of the admin, welcome. Okay, so here we are getting the data, like I have told you, we are getting the data in guard, auth guard. We can simply get it auth guard admin. and user name. Okay, now we're going to check. Okay, welcome super admin. So this one is not required. We can move this one. Yeah, we can keep something else later on. Okay, so we will also remove unwanted code later on. Step by step we are going to remove. See, welcome super admin. Okay, now super admin can able to update the password from here. This is the form of update admin password. Okay, so see, we are going to continue working on this one in next video as well, so please stay tuned for that and do subscribe the channel. Okay, so that you will get the updates on time. Okay, then that's all for now. If you have any query, you can surely contact me. Okay, you can contact me, or you can simply join the Facebook group as well. Okay, there is a Facebook group for the Stack Developers channel. You can add your queries there, and it is Facebook groups Stack Developers. Facebook groups Stack Developers. Okay, very simple. You can add your queries in this group, and this is the group. Okay, you can add your queries in this group so that I can able to help you there as well, or you can add in the video description as well in comments. Okay, then have a nice time. Goodbye.